Welcome to the Essential Meals to Go site. I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to place your order. Our ordering window opens on Saturday morning, and the deadline to place your order is Friday at midnight. As you come down here, for each item, you'll see a number, the title of the item, a photo, and a brief description. Be sure to hold on to the number as you review the menu because you'll need that later at checkout. So it looks like I want item number 2, item number 3, and item number 4. So as I scroll to the bottom of the page, I'll see choose a plan. You can choose a 3-day plan, which are 6 meals, 4-day plan, 8 meals, or a 5-day plan, 10 meals. This is the entire menu. I think I want to try the 3-day plan to get started. So you would click view purchase options, and we offer pickup from our kitchen on Sundays. You can do local delivery, which is also on Sundays, or you can ship it to you nationwide if you're outside of Georgia. We offer shipping on Mondays. We're eco-friendly over here, so you can add glass containers if you'd like. Otherwise, your meals will come in a reusable, recyclable set of containers. I think I want to try 3-day and local delivery. So you're going to add that to the cart. And then remember, we told you to hold on to those menu items, the numbers. So we want to add a 2, a 3, and a 4. And then we go to checkout. And that's it. You'll fill out the rest of these details to complete your order. And then if you have any questions, you can always chat with us and you can subscribe if you want to get other updates from us. All right. Thanks a lot. See you soon.